Mondrian Los Angeles in West Hollywood. Address 8440 Sunset Boulevard, West Hollywood, Los Angeles, United States. Located in the heart of the Sunset Strip, this West Hollywood hotel offers unique rooms with floor-to-ceiling windows. Guests can enjoy sweeping views of Los Angeles while enjoying a poolside cocktail at the famed Skybar. Mondrian Los Angeles in West Hollywood offers stylish guest rooms which offer breathtaking views of the surrounding areas from the LA skyline to the glittering Hollywood Hills. Enjoy a spa-like experience beneath a rainfall shower. Room amenities include flat-screen LCD HCTVs with full cable access, a minibar, fully equipped work areas and boutique bath products. Inspired by Hollywood's golden age, Ivory on Sunset celebrates the spirit and essence of this iconic Los Angeles neighborhood and offers panoramic views of the city. Open for dinner daily and weekend brunch, as well as weekday breakfast and lunch, Ivory on Sunset celebrates California cuisine with fresh market-driven ingredients. A selection of house-infused and signature cocktails will both echo and complement Ivory on Sunset's cuisine. The Los Angeles Mondrian offers an outdoor pool with underwater music. Guests can work out in the fitness center. A business center with fax and photocopying services is available. The Mondrian West Hollywood is located 1.6 kilometers away from Melrose Avenue. Rodeo Drive and the Hollywood Walk of Fame are within 4.5 kilometers away.